Hello people, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and support this channel. Today we will be dealing with the plant Leptadenia reticulata, that is Jeevanti. Jeevanti is a traditional medicinal plant species widely used to treat various ailments. And in Ayurveda, it is known for its Jeevaniya, Rasayana and Stanyajanaka properties, that is revitalizing, rejuvenating and lactogenic properties. And due to over exploitation and unscientific methods of cultivation and habitat loss, at present this plant is a threatened endangered plant. So on a positive note, it is time that we start conserving plants and trees and other living beings so that we can maintain the balance in the ecosystem as well as in our health and in our lives. Okay, now let's start with the plant. Coming to the basonym of the plant Leptadenia reticulata, that is Jeevanti, it is Jeevati Pranan Dharayati Swayam Sarvada. Jeevati Pranan Dharayati Swayam Sarvada means that Jeevanti is the plant that does Pranadharana, that is, it maintains the normal status of our life or our health. Next, the botanical name of the plant Jeevanti is Leptadenia reticulata. In this genus name Leptadenia, lepto means slender and the species name reticulata means it is finely netted. And this plant belongs to the family Asclepidaceae and the kula of this Jeevanti is Arka. Vernacular names or the local names, in English it is called as Leptadenia or Jeevanti, and in Hindi it is called as Dori, and in Kannada it is called as Bugudi Huvina Gedde, in Malayalam it is called as Attakodiyan, in Marathi it is called as Dodi. Now let's deal with the synonyms. Based on the properties and actions, here are few synonyms. The first synonym is Shaka Shrestha, that is Shakanam Shrestha. Jeevanti is the best among all the Shakas. Next synonym is Jeevaniya, which means Jeevaniya Hita Iti, that which sustains life. Hence it is called as Jeevanti. And it also comes under the Jeevaniya Ganadravya. Then third synonym is Jeeva, that is Jeevani Jeevyate Anena Janaihi. Jeeva means Jeevani Jeevyate Anaya Janaihi, that is it has the ability to sustain the life because of its Dirghakala Rasayana Rupatva, that is it acts as a Rasayana for a long time. And next synonym is Payaswini, that is one, it acts like a Stanyajanaka, and one more is that it belongs to the Arkakula. Arkakula in the sense it is having latex in it. Hence it is also called as Payaswini. Then Mangalya Namadeya. Mangalya Namadeya means this is auspicious plant. Hence it is called as Mangalya Namadeya. And Madhusrava is the last synonym. Next, coming to the classification of the drug, the Ganavargikarana. In Charaka it belongs to the Jeevaniya Varga, and in Sushruta it belongs to the Kakolyadi Varga, and according to Bhavaprakasha Nigantu it belongs to the Guduchyadi Varga. Habitat. Jeevanti is distributed throughout India, especially in the Konkan and Maharashtra and Gujarat regions, that is the Western Ghat regions. And it is also found near Punjab and Rajasthan also. Then the habit, it is a twining shrub, that is it can twine, and it is also a shrub, it is a twining shrub. Now the varieties, there are no varieties, but the herb is used under different names in different parts of the country. like Dendrobium normale, Pholidota articulata, Desmotrichum fimbriatum are golden in color, and they are known as Swarna Jivanti in Bengal region. And in Punjab, Simicifuga fetida, that is a Jiunti. And in Madhya Pradesh and South India, Holostema annulare is considered as Jivanti. Coming to the external morphology, the root is rough, white or buff colored, and it has longitudinal ridges and furrows. So you can see the root here. It is buff colored and it has longitudinal ridges and furrows. The stem has corky, deeply cracked bark, and younger ones are glabrous. Younger stem is glabrous, and the leaves are coriaceous, ovate, simple, and they are cordate and glabrous above and more or finely pubescent beneath. That is, they are more or less hairy in the undersurface. Then the flowers are greenish yellow in color, and they are found in the form of lateral or subaxillary cyme. The fruit is follicle, and it is subwoody, 6 to 9 cm long, and it is having tapering end, and it is the useful part in case of Jivanti is root, leaf and the fruit. The fruit, that is tapering at the tip, you can see, and the useful part in Jivanti is fruit, leaf and the root. And the seed is narrowly ovate, and it is oblong and acute and comose. The important phytochemical constituents are fructosan, stigmasterol, hentriacontanol, alpha-amyrin, beta-cytosterol, and flavonoids like diosmetin and luteolin. Next, coming to the rasa panchaka, the rasa is madura rasa, guna is lagu and snigdha guna, and the vipaka is madura vipaka, and virya is shita virya. Coming to the action or the karma on dosha, dhatu and the malas. The dosha karma of Jivanti is, it is tridosha shamaka, that it pacifies all the three doshas, and it is especially vata pitta shamaka. It is vata shamaka because it has madura vipaka and madura rasa, and it is pitta shamaka because it is having shita virya, madura rasa and madura vipaka, and it is kapha shamaka because it is kapha nissaraka. Next, the karma is, it is tanya janana and hridya, that is, it acts upon the rasa dhatu. Then it is rakta pitta prashamana, it acts on the rakta dhatu. That is, it acts as a lactogenic agent, and it is good for the heart, and it helps in pacifying the rakta and pitta dosha. And it also acts as rasayana, that is rejuvenating and revitalizing agent, and it acts as chakshushya, that is, it is good for the eyes, and it is balya, it gives strength, and it also acts as jwaragna, trishna prashamana, and grahi, brahmana, vrishya and daha prashamana. Therapeutic indications or the rogagnata of the plant Jivanti. Jivanti is useful in all the tridosha vikaras, and it is also useful in Kshaya Roga and in Stanya Alpata, in Shukrameha, Kasa, Trishna, Jwara, Daha, and Grahani, Vishtamba, Koshtagata Raukshya, Chakshu Vikara, it is Chakshushya, hence Chakshu Vikara, that is eye diseases. Then Hrid Daurbalya, that is heart diseases, it is good for the heart, and it is useful in Rakta Pitta because it is Rakta Pitta Prashamana. And it is useful in Kshaya Roga. Amayika Prayoga or the therapeutic administration. Jeevanti is used in case of Daha Jwara. The Jeevanti Moola Niryuha, that is Jeevanti root decoction along with ghee, is useful in burning sensation that is caused during Jwara. And in case of Nishandhya, that is night blindness, the tender leaves of this Jeevanti are fried in the ghee and it is given for oral administration, that is, it is taken internally, will help in Nishandhya. Coming to the matra or the dose, the root powder, that is the churna, is taken in 3 to 6 gram dose and the kvata is taken in 50 to 100 ml quantity. The important formulations are Jeevantyadi Grita, Jeevantyadi Taila, Brihat Ashwagandha Grita, Rativallabha Modaka, Shatawaryadi Grita. Research work carried out on Jeevanti suggests that it has anti-carcinogenic property, and the drug was also proved to be very useful in case of women who had deficient or lactational failure. And here the lactogenic property of the drug was also proved. Then a few clinical studies were also carried out to assess the effect of leptadin. And leptadin is having Jeevanti as one of its constituents, and this leptadin was very useful in case of uterine hemorrhages and habitual or threatened abortions and dysmenorrhea. And these were a few of the research works, and that's it for Jeevanti, that is Leptadenia reticulata. And thank you. See you soon.